everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to redeem Amazon gift card code. So for that, open the Amazon account on your Google browser first. Click open in new browser and click open a new tab. There on the search bar, you type in amazon.com and press enter, which will direct you to the official web page of Amazon where you will need to get logged in. As you can see, I am already logged in into my account. So once you have been logged in, you need to move your mouse cursor to your profile name over here and then click on accounts. Click that. Here on the accounts info page, you need to click on gift card over here option. Click that and here you will be able to redeem your gift card. So click on redeem a gift card. There you need to enter the claim code of yours. The claim code will be about 16-digit character. You need to type in over here on this text box and then you need to click on apply your balance. With this, you will redeem the gift card. Make sure you type in the correct gift card code to redeem on Amazon. So this is how you can redeem Amazon gift card code. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.